Okay. Mga ka-seniors, ngayon po ay nandito tayo sa a very historical landmark dito po sa San Juan Capistrano sa Orange Country, kung saan narito po ang Mission San Juan Capistrano, a California landmark, actually hashtag 2000. Ano po ba ang mga makikita natin dito? Ang mga point of interest po nila rito is the original bell tower display. Dalawa po yun. And then the statue of Saint Sarah and the Native American boy coming on the two culture noong 1914 po yan. And then nakita po natin kanina yung mga sacred garden. Napakaganda po ng mga garden nila. You will be amazed on how they were able to preserve the garden, no? Very greenery. And then the museum, and then they also have the historic sala. Actually, it is a legacy of Saint Sarah. Okay. Then we have the Native American grinding stone. And then the Mission Clubhouse. They have also a picnic area. And Mission Basilica, actually it was built a little bit later in 1986. Then, of course, the Sierra Chapel, nampunta po tayo kanina doon. 1782 po yun na-construct. So, medyo mag-exercise lang po kayo there because going there, there's an open flame. Then the bell wall, Campanaryo, circa 1813. Then the ruins of the Gueststone Church. Actually, it was constructed in 1806. There's also the historic wine bath, an art exhibit, a mission treasure exhibit, then life as a Native American. Actually, marami po talaga. Maraming makikita rito. Off-site and on-site. Medyo marami nga lang pong lakarin. Actually, nakapaglakad ako ng almost 2 hours po just to capture the periphery of the periphery of San Juan Capistrano. No? This is an old mission town. No. Okay, they also have the West Garden. Then nagpunta rin po tayo sa cemetery kung saan nakita po natin ang notable mga nanirahan po rito and those who turned into and ordained to be a priesthood way back in the 700 and also in the 1800s. So the lives of all those people, their path of remembrance can be visualized and captured in this place. No? Andyan din pala yung mga grinding stone na ginamit nila, yung kanilang kitchen. Meron din silang rancho room. The bell ringing tradition. Napakaganda po niyan. Okay, this place is accessible even for those needing assistance, yung mga wheelchair. So just ask for a pre-accessibility map at the gate. But they do not provide or rent wheelchair. So bring your own wheelchair. And then meron din po mga restroom, first aid, then a garden book, o pre-Wi-Fi. Visit, meron palang Wi-Fi dito. Please help us achieve, let us know if you have an, okay. May free Wi-Fi pala sila rito on designated location. So, siyempre, may emergency information din sila if in case. By the way, the place is on 26801 Old Mission Road, San Juan Capistrano, 92675. Okay. So, meron naman silang general information na pinibigay. The photography for personal enjoyment is encouraged as the mission. Visitors are allowed to take informal vacation-type snapshot and nature and architectural photos. Still photography is permitted for private, non-commercial use only. Mission prohibits the use of drones over its private property. All visitors to the mission are advised that their photo may be taken while on-site for promotional purposes. Attendance at the mission implies consent. That's why we ask permission or consent that if we will be allowed to photograph inside the mission. Kasi meron tayong mga house rule. And we're so glad that pumayag naman po sila, and we are very thankful for that. Because I believe not so many YouTube content creator have been here and will promote the San Juan Capistrano Old Mission property, a Californian landmark. Okay. And there were a lot of stories inside and even miracles that happened in this place. So ito po ang ating brochure at ito po ang mapa and the points of interest or places of interest while inside. Okay. So at least we are guided by this one and the general information. So I hope you enjoy our walking tour here at San Juan Capistrano Old Mission Compound. So thank you for that to our supporters, to our viewers, to all of you. Thank you for continuously viewing and watching our YouTube channel. God bless us all. Thank you. Hello, hello, hello. Another walking tour. We are now in... Oh yeah, hello, hello, hello. No. I'm a blogger.
Oh yeah.
So
can I say hi?
Oh yeah. Can you? Okay. Hi. So where are we now?
Capistrano.
Oh, Capistrano.
Yeah.
Okay.
We had barbecue this morning.
Oh, that's good.
It was really good, and yeah, well,
Okay.
yeah.
How's the weather?
It's pretty good.
It's nice and warm.
Oh, good, good. You're from this place?
We're Long Beach.
Oh.
Yeah,
So we're used to it.
40 minutes away.
40 minutes.
Where are you guys
South or north?
Oh, north.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Where are you guys from?
Manila, Philippines.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
My stepdad's from Manila.
Oh, is that so?
Yeah.
You been there?
No, not yet. We're supposed to.
supposed
You should be
wedding.
there. You should be there.
Yeah.
So, how many mission? 21, oh?
Alright, it sounds like you know the answer. I think we did like 3 or 4.
Oh.
Everyone's nice.
I like this one a lot.
Okay.
Have
Go
you-
inside? Not yet.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is our first time.
I think
Okay,
there was a wedding
yeah.
there earlier.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We'll take
Okay.
Vlogging.
Yeah. Yeah. So, we're fortunate that we met some locals here.
Yeah.
At least sharing to us what is in store here in San Juan Capistrano, the old mission. Yeah. That's good. Thank you very much.
Nice to meet you. Enjoy.
Yeah, okay.
Enjoy.
Yeah,
Hi.
okay. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, you see that? Yeah. We got there's my cousin, Lisa. Hi. This is San Juan Capistrano. Yeah, where the missions. Actually, I was told around 21 missions. I don't know whether we will be able to see them all. Even the copy here is Cafe de Mission. Okay. Yeah, San Juan Capistrano. This is still part of Los Angeles. And for today, we will have a walking tour. Oh, there's one there, mission. So many mission here. Maybe because of the missionary. Promenade. Okay. Okay. So hopefully we will be able to. Hello.
I like your hat.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Okay. So today we are going to experience the Mission San Juan Capistrano experiences. Okay. So there's a island there, Cheseni, Chapiling with Dennis and Grace, and there's a cousin Lisa. So let's just try to get into this one. Okay. Oh. Hello. Can I use this one? I'm a blogger. Can I blog? Is allowed to photo?
Yes, just look at the picture. Yeah, you have to come back and
It's okay. Because I was asking permission whether I can
I
blog.
think you can.
Yeah.
Personal.
Okay. So where's the first stop?
So we can go. I don't know. Here we're just following this.
I think they got a number there.
Yeah,
So,
one.
whoa.
And we go to number 2. What is the mission? So we can turn right here. Go deeper. Deeper. Yeah. Okay. One. Okay. Right. See that one.
Okay. There's my auntie there. And my cousin. Hello. Okay. So we're here at San Juan Capistrano. The mission. What will be our mission for today?
Our mission
Uh,
is to
Uh, but
check out the place.
okay.
This historical place. I think.
Oh, that's Grace over there.
Yes.
Okay.
I wish I knew math times, but I
So
don't.
nice place, huh? Any idea how old the structure here?
Oh, it's a 1700.
Ha? Parang pa na Kastila? Hindi.
That's why.
Nanggaling ba Kastila rito?
There's a bride. Look.
Oh, that's so. Oh, there's a bride over there. Yeah, looking for the groom.
They're gonna take some pictures.
Oh, so they have Victoria Hill, huh?
Yes.
Chapiling, Chapiling, Chapiling! We're here! How are you today?
He's asking you, how are you today?
Huh? Which one?
Yeah, you're asking her, right? Go answer.
Where is that one, Chapiling? Okay.
Okay.
Today is Sunday, so we have to be good. No?
Oh, they also have a garden, see?
Oh, yeah, yes, yes.
Let's see what's here.
Purple, huh? Purple.
What's here?
Yeah, because this is Los Angeles, no? Purple and yellow. Ah, hindi na to Los Angeles?
Orange copy na ito.
Huh?
Orange.
Orange Country? Oh, that's where the rich people used to stay. Ah, Orange Country. I'm sorry. I start to be corrected. We are in Orange Country.
It's Orange County, that's like south of Los Angeles.
Ah,
Then after Orange County, it's San Diego.
oh, yeah, yeah. So, you see? Okay, so mostly garden, ano rito, no? Garden. So, this was part of Orange Country, one of the richest place here. So, from Los Angeles, you go to Orange Country and then to San Diego.
Of Great Stone Church, and then looking in the facility and saying, okay, this is what this is, and this is what this would have been, or is in the Great Stone Church. Just again, that idea that, you know, that connection between what was.
Погода. Условия погодные
Okay. So this is the missionary house. They have the church here. It used to be a church before, and there's a chapel. This is the Sherakapo. There's the church over there. Okay. So this used to be the church. Let us enter the church. There seems to be a mass. Oh, St. Peregrine Chapel. Okay. Thank you, Lord, for us having the opportunity to be in this place. Yeah, actually, we are in Orange Country, one where the rich and the famous used to stay. You see the missionary hall, missionary building, and this structure was built way back in the 17th century. Okay, very nice. Yeah, you people who wish to be in LA should find time to be at Orange Country and to see the mission house, the old mission houses. And we were told that there's a total of 21 old mission structure or houses in this vicinity. Yeah, you see over there? Okay, nice one. That one is still part of the church or the chapel or the Saint Peregrine. Okay, and you see the garden here. So many garden. Okay. Very good, very good. In the middle, yeah, we can see, yeah. So the flowers are blooming. Nice one. Very good, very good. Okay. And they have a mini fish pond here. A mini pond. Okay. So nice. Okay. This what tree is this? And it's bearing fruits. There are some fruits in this tree. And these are the cactus. Wow. So it's not only in Nevada, Arizona that we can see some cactus, big cactus like this, but also here in this place. You see? Okay. See the kinds of cactus? So many of them. Okay. Nice one. Okay. I think there's a chimney over there. Okay. That's nice. See the cactus, huh? Very nice, very nice. So we just have a walkthrough of the old mission of San Juan Capistrano. Yeah. And you can see this one. Oh, we have this one, Bongabilia. Bongabilia. Very nice. Okay. Oh, there's a very Bongabilia tree. Okay. Okay. There's another garden here. Okay. Explore the beauty of San Juan Capistrano. Hello. Hello, how are you? Good. Thank you. Okay, look at that tree. I think that tree is almost a century old. Okay, and they were able to preserve that one. Okay. Nice. Maganda po, maganda. Mga ka-seniors, very solemn din po itong lugar na to. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, hindi po tayo, ang volume po, medyo control po. Kasi this place seems to be very sacred. Okay. The ruins, they have the ruins. Just like in Intramuros back home. Okay, look at that one. Actually, you cannot sit or stand or climb on those stones or walls because they are fragile or delicate because of the age. Okay. Oh, there's a bell here. Okay. Please respect the historic and religious significance of the site and the indigenous people who built this wall. Okay, so there's a bell here. Okay. You see the bell? Okay, that one for sure is more than 100 years already. It's a good material for vlogging because I don't think a number of vloggers had been to this place. Okay, nice one. Okay. Okay, so we're on the other side of the missions. So still there's a lot of cactus that can be found here. You see, so many plants, gardens. Hello. Yeah. Okay. That's good. So we're going around the compound of the mission. And really, this place is very fascinating. Huh? Okay, you will love the place. Very solemn, very sacred, and you will be surprised how they were able to preserve the buildings, the plants, the structures that was way back in the 17th century. So, this is one of the California landmark. This is the cemetery. Okay. This is the Mission Cemetery. And that's how they buried their loved ones. I think the cemetery is over there. But to have a sample, this is one that was born in 1743 and died in 1825. Yeah. So here we go again. Oh, there they are. Okay, this is the chapel, St. Peregrine. Okay. Oh, hey you, how are you? There's Chapeling, and Grace. Okay. I've been to the cemetery. Yeah. Yeah, I've been there. Yeah. And also the cactus, no? I thought it's only in Nevada that you can see big cactus like that. They also have Chapeling bougainvillea here. Bougainvillea ba yan? Yan, no, bougainvillea. Yan. Yeah. Tapos napunta ako doon sa sementeryo. Oo.
Ano mga old?
Yung mga nailibing nilang mga naging priesthood. Yung mga na-ordained into priesthood.
Year na namatay sila.
Yeah, but the other one is closed, so I was not able to enter inside. But outside there are 3 tombs. Okay. Malawak para to.
Yeah, it is big.
Yung iba lang kasi sarado eh. You are not allowed to enter.
Are you going there?
Okay, that's our Chapeling, the birthday celebrant. For sure, Chapeling, we promise you, from now and year on, we will always be with you during your birthday. Mission San Juan Capistrano, founded November 1, 1776. Worth a visit. Okay. There you are.